7% jump up in that stock. And then Keynes, which was your top performer, 13% higher on F&O yesterday. Quiet start, Nifty Bank under pressure, 0.5% lower for the Nifty Bank as we speak right now. Although BFSI as well, more of the financial services have been contributing off late to the market move. So quiet, 24,200 is where we've started off on the Nifty as we speak right now. Let's first check in on the movers from yesterday, technology, and whether it has further tailwinds to go after Cognizant's commentary and the earnings. Nifty IT, yes, surely has started off on a positive note, about 0.7% higher for the Nifty IT index as we speak right now. Infosys, TCS, but more than that, a KPIT, Persistent, Coforge, these are all the names wherein the market is seeing bigger moves. And of course, even large caps like Techem, etc., have been moving up very well of late. The sectoral color then in the indexes, and like we flagged off, Nifty Bank has started off on a weak note. Right now, I want to check in on what the Nifty Realty Index is up to, what are metals doing. And Realty is your top drag today, 1% lower, followed by PSU banks, private banks, financials, defense as well as mildly soft, autos as well, pretty quiet. So the big mover today, both on the, on the diverse ends, is IT at the gaining side and Realty at the drags. And of course, banks as well, wherein the Nifty Bank is lower by 0.5% as we speak right now. Just want to check in on the movers then and the newsmakers. So let's start off with that entire list. Firstly, an earnings reaction on iShares. Dabur as well, wherein the Q1 numbers are largely in line. Balkrishna Industries. You've got a Vedanta Iron and Steel as well come out with their numbers. Strong numbers from MTAR as well. Order book crosses the FY27 guidance already. There's Teamlease as well, good set of numbers. Star Health as well, after many quarters, you're finally seeing a strong Q1 and the combined ratio has seen a sharp improvement. There's Quest Corp. Piramal Pharma too, the net loss is actually narrowed for them and the margins have expanded to about 8.6%. So look out for what that stock as well is going to be doing in trade. For Bajaj Housing Finance too, it's been a good quarter with strong growth, but margins still remain under pressure for them. Other earnings reactions, you've got Hexaware. The CY26 guidance has been cut. Q2 though is in line with estimates. Vari Energies as well, subdued operational performance. Prestige too, the pre-sales numbers have seen a decline on a sequential basis, although it's not really fair because it's a much large base that they're working on with right now. Vedanta Power, net loss versus profit. Vedanta Oil and Gas, EBITDA downtick. Margins at 32.5% versus 34% on a sequential basis. Syngene as well, very disappointing numbers there too. EBITDA downtick of about 56% is what they've seen. For Zensar as well, the revenue are ahead of the estimates, but margin contraction of about 150 basis points on a sequential basis is what's turned out. And Force Motors too, there is a flattish EBITDA, just a downtick of 1% and margins at 13.4%. But Force Motors, any dip as well, is treated as a buying opportunity on this one, still holding up well. Chalet Hotels has posted disappointing numbers. The revenue has seen a downtick, EBITDA as well is down. Let's see what that stock is up to. Perhaps would be the only weak reporters right now, at least from within the entire hotels pack. And then, of course, there's Ramco Systems. After that UK-based company which has selected Ramco Aviation to digitize their engine and APU operations as well. Hind Rectifiers, they've bagged an order win. And then, of course, Karnataka Bank too, strong numbers there as well. The Q4 profits jumping about 43.5%.
Well, yes, plenty of movers. Excuse me. But among them, you've got KPIT Tech. That stock is taking a bit of a knock, 4.5% lower. We'll obviously speak with management, get a sense of how they're seeing the business. Some management commentary, of course, coming through. Syngene is the big one. It's taking a knock of 8% now. Ecoos is the other one. Dabur taking a knock of 3%. So some real strong losers. But Redington, I mean, very strong set of numbers. Beat on top line by a mile. 14% is the move on that counter. Moil, Force Motors, those are just some of the other big movers in trade that we're seeing. Kunal, how are you looking at the market open?
Well, it's a good start. Good because given the handover, we were expecting 70, 80 points on the downside. It's good to see a flattish move for the Nifty. Bank Nifty has been underperforming, so I don't see this as a change that the Bank Nifty is down 0.5% as compared to the benchmark indices. I would sense that this could probably be the near-term trend which we may have to grapple towards, and that the fact that the Bank Nifty is still struggling below the long-term moving average. In terms of opening trade, I would look at Bharti Airtel as one of the stocks which I think could be on the verge of a minor breakout in the short-term charts.
Okay.